It's party time now.
Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lizzie, your favorite bartender. So today we're gonna be having sex with an alligator. Not even that, but I promise it'll be delicious. Okay. So for this recipe, we're gonna use a whole ounce of Melon Liqueur, 1 ounce of Coconut Rum, and 1 full ounce of pineapple juice. We are going to shake. Okay, so usually this goes in a martini glass between the warm up and in Friday. I got a little sloppy and it broke. So I'm using an alternative and I'm just gonna use a rocks glass. Strain it into the glass. And we're gonna go ahead and sink down raspberry liqueur. It can be razzmatazz, but today I'm using Chambord. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our raspberry liqueur and we're gonna make sure that we pour it slowly so that it sinks down all the way to the bottom. Let it settle like that. And we're gonna grab the Jager and we're gonna make a floater. So the way that we do it, we grab it like this and we pour very slowly, guys. Have it! Sex with the freaking alligator! So yum, delicious. Here, Lily, have the rest. Tell me what you think. I'm getting all my crew people out here banged up, guys.
Ooh.
Alrighty, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below in the comment section. And subscribe so you can join the party. Bye. This is what happens when you drink Jäger.